Clearing your search history on OneDrive can help maintain your privacy and declutter your experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Open OneDrive. Launch the OneDrive application on your device or access it through your web browser by logging into your Microsoft account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. In the OneDrive interface, look for the Settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon or can be found in a menu. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate the Privacy or Security section. This is where you will find options related to your account's privacy and data management. Step 4. Clear Search History. Look for the option that mentions Clearing or Managing Search History. Click on it and you should see an option to clear your search history. Confirm your choice if prompted. Step 5. Refresh your account. After clearing your search history, refresh the OneDrive application or webpage to ensure that the changes take effect. This will help you verify that your search history has been successfully cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on OneDrive, ensuring a more private and organized experience.